Why Uber and Lyft drivers need a dash cam. I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialists. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you are looking for more information on dash cameras, I recommend looking at our description. We have lots of links to other videos that are popular. Anyways, on with why Uber and Lyft drivers have a dash cam. Driving around people is your specialty. You may pick someone up from work and drop them off at home. Your whole world is one big map of streets filled with turns, traffic lights, stops, and starts. I personally rely on Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze to get around. However, you know the city like the back of your hand. As a result, you have plenty of great conversations with your passengers, but not every ride goes to plan. Therefore, you need something to monitor your passengers in case of any challenges. We recommend investing in an interior dash cam. It allows you to monitor what is going on and gives you peace of mind for your job. If there is any abuse, whether it be physical or verbal, you can record and have proof. Some of my clients have had interiors of their vehicles vandalized and were able to go back and review the footage to see who it was. I've actually had a few clients as well where they were personally attacked in their vehicle. One of my clients actually had a lady start punching him in the front seat of his car, and he had no dash cam installed. So what ended up happening is, luckily, her friend, who also got in the vehicle with her, actually testified in court that she did hurt him because she obviously had major integrity. But not every single person is going to be like that. So if you have that dash cam, you have that video evidence, you'll have the audio if there's any verbal abuse or anything like that going on. You know, it's a silent witness. You know, otherwise it's he said, she said. So you want to have that proof. So it's one of the big reasons why we recommend doing that. It just gives you an extra peace of mind. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. We'll be happy to answer them for you. If you do have any other questions related to dash cams, feel free to put them down below as well. Thanks again.